Headlines about the coming metaverse have reached a fever pitch in recent months. Meta Platforms, the company formerly known as Facebook, which I'm saying more and more each day, even changed its name to highlight its focus on the coming digital realm. But first, what exactly is the metaverse? And more importantly, how can investors profit from it? In simplest of terms, the metaverse is a virtual world that will harness the power of a collection of cutting-edge technologies, including augmented reality, virtual reality, and other tech that will allow users to interact in a digital world. Investors are always looking to get in on the ground floor, and the metaverse could just provide that opportunity. Morgan Stanley estimates that the metaverse represents an $8 trillion market. So, with the backstory out of the way, let's look at 3 already successful companies well positioned to benefit from this evolving trend. Number 1. When it comes to high-end gaming processors, Nvidia is the king of the hill. With an 83% share in the discrete desktop GPU market, the stock has ridden that dominance to more than 7,000% gains over the past decade. And that could be just the beginning. We haven't even gotten into parallel processing yet. What's that? What's parallel processing? Oh, I am so glad you asked. Parallel processing is the ability to run a multitude of complex mathematical calculations at super fast speeds, which not only helps generate lifelike images in video games, but has also made GPUs the processor of choice for artificial intelligence systems, managing cloud computing, and data centers. It's also what enables groundbreaking technology like self-driving cars. Nvidia GPUs underpin many of the technological advancements necessary to bring the metaverse to life, including virtual reality, augmented reality, and more. And the best part is that Nvidia doesn't need the metaverse to be successful. It generated sales of roughly $24 billion over the past year. But that could be just the beginning. Management estimates the market for its products at $250 billion, or 10 times its current sales. And that doesn't include the potential gains created by the metaverse, which could add billions more to its opportunity. Alright, enough nerding out about Nvidia. Let's get to number 2. If the metaverse is a virtual world where users can work, play, and even build homes, then this next stock already has a head start. Its online entertainment platform allows users to create and play video games, but also to build, explore, and create 3D digital worlds. We are, of course, talking about Roblox. People are already flocking to Roblox's mini metaverse. Musicians including Lil Nas X, 21 Pilots, and Poppy have held virtual concerts and listening parties for Roblox users, and the company was named in Time's inaugural list of the 100 most influential companies which are making an extraordinary impact around the world. Another way Roblox is shaping the metaverse is providing dedicated digital real estate where companies can showcase their products. A recent example is shoe and apparel company Vans, which hosted Vans World. Visitors could go skateboarding, check out the virtual shop, and see what new items Vans had for sale, and even buy physical items. Roblox went public less than a year ago, but for the first 9 months of 2021, its revenue has more than doubled to $1.35 billion. The platform has more than 47 million users that spend more than 2.5 hours per day on average on the platform. This engaged user base attracts more developers who create more games, who attract more users. You know where I'm going with this. With a budding metaverse of its own, Roblox has a jump on the competition. Now, before we jump to number 3, I'd like to talk to you about our company, the Motley Fool. More specifically, our service, Stock Advisor. Stock Advisor is a subscription stock picking service where members gain access to a library of expert stock recommendations, which are carefully hand-selected and aimed at multiplying their net worth. Stock Advisor recommends 2 brand new stocks to its members each month, sent directly to their inbox, picked by legendary investors. And if you're wondering why you should trust our Stock Advisor team, well, their average stock pick has returned over 530% as of February 10th, 2022. That's beating the market by almost 4 times. If this all sounds interesting to you, then please visit fool.com/YT to take the first step to supercharging your portfolio. Now, on to the next pick. All right, now this next company may roll some eyes. After an absolutely crushing dip of 25% in share price in just one day, after reporting its 4th quarter earnings for 2021, this company might be one to keep on your radar and pick up some shares for a pretty deep discount if you believe that this company has what it takes to turn things around. Meta Platforms, the company formerly known as Facebook, announced it was going all in on the metaverse with its highly public name change. In fact, CEO Mark Zuckerberg said, "From now on, we are going to be metaverse first, not Facebook." Meta plans to focus on building products and services that will usher in the metaverse, like the Oculus virtual reality headset, smart sunglasses in collaboration with Ray-Ban, and the Portal video chatting device are just some of the tools at its disposal. Facebook Reality Labs are even working on haptic gloves that can help users feel virtual objects in the metaverse. Meta's other social platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp will provide the company with the resources to devote to the metaverse. In the first 9 months of 2021, Meta generated revenue of $84 billion and $29 billion in profits, giving it plenty of resources to devote to the metaverse. Again, while Meta's recent performance has been less than stellar, now is a great time to buy some shares on sale if you truly believe the metaverse will be the next big industry to buy into. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Also, tell us down in the comments your thoughts about the metaverse and what companies you think will have the greatest potential in the industry. And as always, Fool on.